Shenzhen HiLink Technology Company Limited, established in 2011, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of QSFP, QSFP 28, CWDM, DWDM SFP, XFP. Our networking solutions are including EDFA, DWDM, CWDM, OLP, MPO, AAWG, etc. In order to provide better service for our customers, we also supply other kinds of related fiber optical products. Our products and solutions are largely applied in cloudy computing, data center, networking access, and so on. We are located in Shenzhen with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, some of the items are coming with CP test, and our cooperation factory are obtained ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certificates. We are committed to provide Class 1 products and cost-effective solutions to create new values for our partners. Our products and services have reached worldwide countries and districts. We have established long-term win-win cooperation relationships with global customers. With the growing reputation, more and more partners from worldwide are joining us. Our ideal is to make communication simpler and easier.